Happy Pastoral Day to our pastors, especially to the most beautiful, loving, and kind pastora of Rose of Sharon, Ate Adelpa. We're so blessed for having you as our pastora and ate. Thank you for all your help, especially if we have problems. You are always available to listen and willing to give us pieces of advice. Thank you for your words of encouragement and most of all, your powerful prayers. Thank you, Ate Adelpa, for bringing us more closely to God. Our prayer wish is that God will use you more to His vineyard so that more souls will be added to your kingdom. God bless you and your family. Take care of yourself. We love you with the love of the Lord. Mwah! Mwah!